Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can remove SIM from HUAWEI phone. So to start, you're gonna have some kind of injection tool, or the injection tool itself, or you can also use a needle or unfolded paper clip. Then, if your HUAWEI smartphone is in the case, take it off. Then find the SIM card slot that looks exactly like so. You should look for it along the frame lines or corners of your phone. Anyway, once you found it, take whatever injection tool you have on you or on your hands, stick it in this little hole, and then slightly push it, or sometimes you need to push it a little harder than slightly, until the SIM card tray pops right off. Then take it out. Then once you take out the SIM slot or SIM tray, remove the SIM cards like that. You can bend the slot a little bit in order for the SIM cards to pop right off. And then just do not forget to put the SIM card slot back into the phone. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.